Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a very simple and easy Karela fry recipe. So here I've taken 4 bitter gourds. I'm removing the tips and then I'm going to remove all the outer layer of the bitter gourds and I'm going to slice them, cut them into very thin slices. And once I have cut them into thin slices, I'm going to place them in a bowl and I've added some salt here. And the salt is basically added so that to get rid of any bitterness that's there in the bitter gourd. Just leave the salt in those slices at least for 30 minutes. If you can leave it for longer, that's even better. But I think 30 minutes should be fine. Out of the bowl and wash the slices thoroughly with water and just pat them dry. Here I'm using a paper towel to dry them out. If you want, after that, I'm going to take a pan and I'm going to take oil in the pan. I've added all the slices at once into that pan. So here we are just shallow frying the slices. Uh, we'll do that one at least until the slices turn golden brown in color. Yeah, see, as you can see, the our slices, the Karela slices have starting to turn brown, and this is I think this is a good time to just remove these from the pan. Since we are also going to fry them again with the onions, so this is a good enough color for us. I have again taken some oil into the same pan, and now I've added a punch foreign. This is about 1 or 2 teaspoons here. And once the mustard seeds they start to splutter, I'm going to add sliced onions. And here I've taken about 1 big onion, or you can just take 2 medium-sized onion. That should be fry the onions till they turn at least pinkish brown in color. And as you can see, these have turned pink, and this I think this is a good color to add the slices. So here I've added all the slices, all the Karela slices, and I'm mixing them thoroughly. And once you mix them up, just add the salt and add some turmeric powder and also some chili powder. And here I'm also going to add some dhania powder and just mix everything very well. And all the dry masalas to get imbibed into the Karela. So we're gonna just mm, leave the lid on the pan and we'll leave it for about 5 minutes or so. And yeah, I've taken the just take the lid off and just put in some chopped cilantro. Just see how beautiful this Karela sabzi looks. I think it's just looks tempting. You can just check if your the Karelas are done or not. I think this is done good enough for me, and this is ready to serve. I think this looks just so delicious, and my Karela fry recipe is ready to be served.